To use pulse light on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you'll have to go for the wallpaper and style, and right here you can find pulse light settings. So let's go in here, and pulse light is basically, as you take a look at the back of the phone, it is basically this circle right here, which will glow any colored lights that you set for different scenarios, for different uses. So let me quickly show you how it works. Let's go back right here, and first you'll have to enable this pulse light feature. As you enable this one, you can enable the active period for this one, so you can set up the scheduled time yourself, or you can set up to have it active at all the times, all the day. And right here, let's go back, and you can set up these uses for the incoming calls, notifications, alarm, and music. Also, you can set it up for the battery and camera usage. So now for incoming calls, as you turn it on, you can change this light style for this specific color at the specific speed and different mode of blinking. So right here for the calls, you can for example set up this green color and press apply, and when someone will call you, this green light with this pulse light will start pulsing green, and you will know that someone is calling you, for example, without having to grab your phone and taking a look at what is going on actually. And the same thing applies to the notifications, and for the alarms, as you turn it on, you can set up the same thing right here for the notifications and for all of these different stuff. Right here you can also set it up for the battery usage. So when your battery is charging, during the charging the pulse light will emit red light, and when the battery level is between the 0 and 20, and the green light will be emitted when the battery level is above 20%. And yeah, as you can see, it also flashes faster if you use the device with the supercharging basically. And right here you can also toggle the switch to for the pulse light to emit red light when the battery level is low. And yeah, and also there is a very useful feature to use it for the camera as the countdown light. So when you set up the countdown for the timed shutter, delayed shutter, you can use this countdown light right here for this camera, and you can set up the color for your countdown light. And also, let's go back right here, you can enable this feature to have this pulse light always turned on, which I honestly actually don't recommend since it will increase battery usage. But as you like to have this little shining LED, you can turn on this feature and set up your color. Press apply, and now let me just quickly show you. As you take a look at the back of the phone, here is this pretty nice light, and it looks kind of nice. And yeah, that's pretty much all that you have to know about setting up, about using the pulse light feature right here. Thank you for watching.